How to bet in 1xBet. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can bet in 1xBet, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to bet on 1xBet, it is actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is simply open up 1xBet over here. Make sure that you log into your account, and then make sure that you have enough account money deposited to your account. You can tap the plus icon from the top left to deposit money depending upon the payment method. Now once you have done that, when you are on the home screen, you're going to see this type of many sorts of interface. From here you can select a type of category on which you want to bet. You want to bet on the live that is currently happening, or the sports or esports, games and stats, and so many other ones over here, and then you should be able to see them. So you can just go ahead and then select a certain bettings that you might want to bet on. So you can select a certain one here, and then you can simply go ahead and select draw yes over 25 and so on. And then once done, you can just hit the arrow icon here, and then once you have done that, you should be able to tap the bet option if you'd like to bet them. This way you should be able to go ahead and then basically bet on 1xBet. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.